Hello, crypto fan. We are a big fan of crypto and we are forever crypto. And today we are going to talk about DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure network. It has been very old subject, but it just came around, became popular in just like recent trend, but it has been a very old subject. So its time has arrived. So we'll be talking about some few promising projects that are the top blue chip projects and the new upcoming projects also in this sector, and I'll be giving a hidden treasure for you that connects all these DePIN projects, which is not a DePIN project. People used to think that that project is kind of a layer 1 kind of a project. It's a layer 1 project, but what is does people are a little bit not aware of. I'll be revealing that also, so stay tuned for that one. Yeah, so let's go with the first one. As we all know, the king, the render network, the king in the GPU cloud infrastructure game. It has been a massive run on render network. Some of them has done like 20x, 25x in this render network, and it is a huge network. I'm a huge believer of render network. This is the biggest bag that I have, render network. So guys, I am super bullish on render network, and render network has recently changed to Solana network also. So render network, the founder of render network, Jules Arbat, he is connected with NVIDIA. He is connected with NVIDIA. The render is connected with Apple, and recently the Stability AI founder Imad Mustaq recently joined the render board. That's huge, guys. And yeah, I think there is nothing more to talk about render, because render is itself a definition, itself a statement. And if you guys doesn't know about what they are actually trying to do, they are trying to utilize the GPU, and where people can rent the GPU over there, just like you can rent your house in Airbnb. So in the next future, people will be buying GPU and renting them, and the other customers like the people from film industry, the entertainment industry, and other gaming industry businesses would rent those GPUs that does the compute for them, and people will be earning rental income from GPU, you know. So the future is very astounding. The future is coming, guys. So yeah, the render network is my topmost pick in this sector, and the next one upcoming is the IO.net. I'm very super bullish on IO.net because they are not new in this field. They are very old. They did their homework, and their key partners are Solana, Filecoin, Garmin Games. They are partnered with Render also, and I'll talk about they are not competitors to each other. They are doing different kind of a thing. So I'll talk to you about that one later. So another one is Ether. Ether has just done its token sale. I think it's for the checker notes, and they have raised 27,000 ETH worth of I think that has been sold, and this project Ether is also old, that has done their homework. They know what's the problem in this industry, and the best thing about the Ether is that the hardware requirement is very minimal. You can run your node from just a simple computer, and the internet speed is also very low. So Ether, that's what I really like about Ether. So it has low barrier of entry, um, and the most important thing about Ether is they are targeting the gaming field. They are targeting the, I think this yeah, they are targeting the gaming field. Render is doing for the artist, the animation thing for the film industry, for the movie industry, and the Akash network and IronNet are doing the GPU cloud things. So they all are different. It's like, I think many people are saying that the next render is Ether. No, the render cannot be replaced, because render is doing their own stuff, Ether is doing their own stuff, and Akash, IronNet are doing their own stuff. So yeah, and why do we need the decentralized cloud service? You know, why AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, Papers, other the web to centralize? Why do we need that? That's the big question, because why this change is needed? Because so what these all projects are doing is that they are utilizing the GPU resources, because GPU is very hard. The demand is so high right now because of the AI boom and other things. The GPU compute will be a huge industry. So it's already like 25 to 30 billion dollars, and I think in every 8 years, in every year there will be 8% of compounding increase that has been predicted. So I think you do the math, what will happen in 2030 to 2040 and yeah, so why do we need decentralized servers? So this is the big question, and people are saying that we need that, and they are like all centralized. But the thing is that all our data and these servers are like switches and hubs. They are tools and equipment in the network. Um, they are in the physical terms, in a location, in a old, in maybe in some kind of a building, and so they all are located in same locations. And so if anything happened to that location, any calamities, any crisis happens, if everything is disconnected, then the internet won't be available to all. So if this decentralized servers kind of a thing, the GPU computer, if they can compute from the decentralized servers, where every server is they are like chopped down and distributed to the computer. Like you can be a part of this server. If you let your computer run like in blockchain, if you go and be a node server, node provider, and later computer run, and the network will be running. So even of calamities came in in some places of the old, and then the network will be running from the other places of the other places of the old, where there are the node providers. They are running the nodes, so the network would be safe. So internet can be run. So that's why this is the problem, the solution. So and that's the reason why the decentralized server is going on. So they are cutting down the centralized server, and every people can come and be a node provider, be a server. You can be a host provider, anything by using a in Ether. Like I just told you that you can be I think the node sale has already ended, but that was only for the checker nodes. But checker node was very cheap. Like you could run in a simple computer also, like 64 GB computers, and they only needed like 10 GB. I think 4 GB RAM was and it's like a simple computer, so that can be a node. And I think in one interview, the founder of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, has told that, and I think in 2032, every mobile will be a node provider. You can just swap your mobile and sign the transaction. You can check or validate the transactions. So yeah, so that's the GPU computing that does these things. So these are the projects that are doing. So these are my top projects. So I'm waiting for the token for the IONET and Ether. I have already been a node provider for Ether also, and yeah. So Ether is doing for the gaming. So I think the Animoca brand, I think the guy means they did the homework, guys. They did the homework, Ether and IONET. And yeah, I think these are the projects that I'm very bullish on, and they're top quality projects. And as I have told you earlier, that I will be giving you a last kind of a hidden puzzle. So, and these projects are actually, I'll be talking about the layer 1 people. This kind of seems to be a layer 1, but it's actually an artificial AI token now. CoinGecko has listed it on AI recently, but they had it was before in the layer 1 category. Actually, it does for the so the demand was created by AI for the GPU compute, and to supply the GPU compute, the Render, Ether, and IONET and other projects are doing that, and Near is providing the base software. So they are the viewers, they tell they're like blockchain operating software. So the developer can build the bridge between the GPU compute and the AI thing. I'll be talking about the other AI projects, other AI top projects in this, and the Near is the top, one of the top also, because like everybody loves Near. They are connected with Polygon, Google, Alibaba, Arbitrum, ICC. This is the International Cricket Council, and not only that, they are connected with the NVIDIA, and they were in the NVIDIA conference also. And the founder of Near was one of the author or one of the writer for AI top AI draft. If you can go and search for they have their thesis called attention is all we need. So he was one of them. So that's that thesis, and so I think the CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, was also one of the 8 author of that thesis, I think, that report, attention that all we need. So yeah, Near is absolutely a hidden gem that connect all the things, like it is connected with, it supports DePIN, it supports AI, it supports development in gamings, it supports other projects also. It is a base operating system, like Microsoft operating system, or the operating system like Linux and other things are operating in the hardware of the computers. So the Near will be operating in the hardware that is provided with, like, that runs the render in the render network, Ether render network. So yeah, Near is absolutely great project, guys, and they are onboarding, like, I think they are doing great in in Asian countries. They are building a lot of community there over there. Yeah, these are the projects, guys. These are the projects that I am very super bullish on, and you guys do your research. Don't jump into like everything. Do your own research. Also go to their Twitter, like now x.com. Go there and do your own due diligence. It's not a financial advice, guys. So yeah, and I would like to give you another project that will be upcoming. So the project is called it's a DePIN project called Grass. So it's just like you just turn on your computer and run the network, and you can do the things, So I think it needs invitation code also, and this project is great, guys. Like this is also a DePIN kind of a project, so where if everybody can run their network. So you go over here in the Grass, getgrass.io, and I will also put the link over there, the invitation link. So I have earned some kinds of a token over here, and this project is also a very promising project. It has not launched its token yet, but you can earn it over here right now. And this project is backed by Polychain Capital. So I think you have heard about the Polychain Capital. I think this is like Coinbase is connected with Coinbase. There are many projects, huge projects like Casper. They are connected with Casper, and everything that touched by Polychain turns gold. You do this one. So yeah, go and check this Grass also, and these. Yeah, I hope I have covered the major things over here, and yeah, guys, see you on the other side. Big fan of crypto, forever crypto. Signing off.